Great inventions and inventors? Who invented telephone? Alexander Graham Bell. Who invented light bulb? Thomas Edison. Who invented Internet or World Wide Web? Tim Berners-Lee. Who invented computer? Charles Babbage. Who invented television? John Logie Baird. Who invented airplane? Wright brothers, Orville and Wilbur Wright. Who invented penicillin? Alexander Fleming. Who invented printing press? Johannes Gutenberg. Who invented radio? Guglielmo Marconi. Who invented steam engine? James Watt. Who invented bicycle? Carl Dries. Who invented electric generator? Michael Faraday. Who invented X-ray? Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen. Who invented automobile? Carl Benz. Who invented sewing machine? Elias Howe. Who invented microwave oven? Percy Spencer. Who invented air conditioning? Willis Haviland Carrier. Who invented steamboat? Robert Fulton. Who invented camera? Joseph Nicephore Niepce. Who invented phonograph? Thomas Edison. Who invented helicopter? Igor Sikorsky. Who invented barometer? Evangelista Torricelli. Who invented ballpoint pen? Laszlo Biro. Who invented walkie-talkie? Donald L. Hings and Alfred J. Gross. Who invented postage stamp? Sir Rowland Hill. Who invented Segway? Dean Kamen. Who invented wind turbine? Charles F. Brush. Who invented Velcro? George de Mestral. Who invented zipper? Gideon Sundback. Who invented insulin? Frederick Banting and Charles Best. Who invented pacemaker? Wilson Greatbatch. Who invented jet engine? Sir Frank Whittle and Hans von Ohain. Who invented holography? Dennis Gabor. Who invented electric guitar? Les Paul. Who invented compact disc, CD? James Russell. Who invented AC generation and transmission technology? Nikola Tesla. Who invented electricity? Benjamin Franklin. Who invented centigrade scale? Anders Celsius. Who invented watch? Peter Henlein. Who invented cathode ray tube? Ferdinand Braun. Who invented telegraph? Samuel Morse. Who invented transformer? Michael Faraday. Who invented LED? Oleg Losov, Nick Holoniak. Who invented gravity? Sir Isaac Newton. Who invented battery? Alessandro Volta. Who invented induction motor? Nikola Tesla. Who invented diesel engine? Rudolf Diesel. Who invented dynamite? Alfred Nobel. Who invented lift? Elisha Otis. Who invented mobile phone? Martin Cooper. Who invented railway engine? George Stephenson. Who invented seismograph? John Milne. Who invented calculator? Blaise Pascal. Who invented atomic bomb? Robert Oppenheimer, Edward Teller et al. Who invented radar? Sir Robert Alexander Watson Watt. Who invented transistor? John Bardeen, Walter Brattain, and William Shockley. Who invented galvanometer? Johann Schweiger. Who invented laser? Theodore H. Maiman. Who invented rocket engine? Robert Goddard. Who invented typewriter? Christopher Latham Scholes. Who discovered polythene? Eric Fawcett. Who discovered electrons? J. J. Thomson. Who discovered protons? Ernest Rutherford. Who discovered inert gases? Sir William Ramsay. Who discovered radioactivity? Henri Becquerel. Who created periodic table? Dmitry Mendeleev. Who discovered oxygen? Joseph Priestley. Who discovered hydrogen? Henry Cavendish. Who discovered atoms? John Dalton. Who discovered acid, LSD? Albert Hofmann. Who discovered ionic bonds? Svante August Arrhenius. Who discovered pH meter? Arnold O. Beckmann. Who discovered titanium? William Gregor. Who discovered radium? Marie Curie. Who discovered anesthesia? William Morton. Who discovered pasteurization? Louis Pasteur. Who invented LCD? George H. Heilmeyer. Who discovered aspirin? Felix Hoffmann. Who discovered blood group? Karl Landsteiner. Who discovered calcium? Sir Humphrey Davy. Who developed cholera vaccine? Louis Pasteur. Who developed rubella vaccine? Stanley Plotkin. Who developed polio vaccine? Jonas Salk. Who developed flu vaccine? Thomas Francis and Jonas Salk. Who discovered vitamin? Casimir Funk. Who discovered cell? Robert Hooke. Who discovered nucleus? Robert Brown. Who discovered Uranus planet? William Herschel. Who discovered universe? Edwin Hubble.